Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. Recently, we have completed part number 5, file handling in Python. Now, we are going to begin project number 4, which is file manager in Python. Before starting video, I am requesting you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me some support. So now, let's begin the lecture. File manager, project number 4, we are going to do it now. I got this image from the Google. Concepts involved the complete part 5, OS module, shuttle module, for loop, if else, and input function. With these two modules, I'm going to use the 4 methods from this module. I'm going to teach these 4 methods in this video. Don't worry about that. Firstly, we have to see what is file manager, right? You can see here in this folder, I have these 3 types of files. These 3 are PNG files and one is JSON file, and then these 2 are MP4 files. So our goal is to separate these 3 files into one folder, and the folder name is PNG, and this file into one folder JSON, and these 2 into one folder which is MP4 video. We can do this thing with the manually, but our goal is to do the same thing with the Python code, right? So now let's build the code for this problem. Getting the path. First you have to copy this folder path, copy as path, right? Now import OS path equal to input, enter your path, right? Enter your path. Here I'm entering the file's path. Remove this strings, right? Now we have to check the directories which are available in this folder. Files equal to os.list directory, give your path for I in files, print I. Yeah, you can see here my folder contains these 3 PNG files, 1 JSON file, and then the 2 are MP4 files. You can see here the exact files I got here, right? This method is going to help us to give all the files which is available in this folder. Now we have to split the file name and the extension, right? For I in files, here I'm going to take 2 variable names, file name, and the second variable name is extension, equal to os.path dot split text, and give here I want to print. First I want to print the file name. You can see I got the file names, but I didn't got the extension. Now I want to print extension also. You can see here I got the file name and then extension, and file name and extension, file name and extension, right? But we are getting one thing here. You can see we are getting the dot. We have to remove the dot. Removing the dot from the extension. Just copy this code, paste here, remove this print functions, extension equal to extension. Here I'm going to use the indexing concept. I want to start from the one and then end of the string. You can see here the dot is removed. Here I used the indexing concept, right? You can see here we have separated the file name with the file extension, and also we removed the dot from the file extension. Now we have to create the separate folder for every extension. First we have to import shuttle, right? And then copy this code up to here, paste here, right? Now I want to get the folder path equal to path place, give here double slash plus extension. This means I'm going to create the new folder with this extension name. This variable is for creating separate folders with the extension names. So that's why I've given the extension here. It is going to create separate folder in this path. First I want to print the folder paths. You can see it is created the separate folders for every extension. Just copy this code and paste here. Now we have to check if os.path.exist, give here folder path. Now we have to shuttle that move here. I'm going to move this path into this path, right? Else not available. I want to make new directory, make directories, and give here folder path. Now I want to copy this line. Now paste here. You can see here I got this 3 PNG folders, 1 JSON and 2 MP4. Firstly, it is going to check for this folder name. If it is not available, it is going to create the new folder name with this path, and then it is going to move this file into this folder. Got it? Here I'm giving the original path and then the file path. But you can see here I have this 3 PNG. If it is not available, it is going to create PNG folder for the first one. But for the second and third PNG, it is not going to create folder. You can see in this line, it is checking the folder names, right? Recently we have created PNG folder name, so that's why it is available. That means os.path exists. This path is exist. I want to move this file into this folder. That's it. Creating PNG folder is completed. Now we have to go for the JSON. We have only the one JSON file, so it is not available. That's why I want to pass it to the else condition. It is going to make one directory with this JSON and then moving the file into this JSON folder, and then we have to go for the MP4. You can see the MP4 is not available, so that's why it is going to create one directory for the MP4. The MP4 directory is created. Now for the first one it is created, and then I moved the video into this MP4. We have to check for the second MP4. It is available because we have created one folder with the MP4. Now we have to move the file into this created folder. So now let's run this code. Just a second, I got one error. Now run it again. Yeah, successfully we have run the code. Now let's check files. Guys, you can see here I have created the 3 folders with these 3 names: JSON, MP4 and PNG. Yeah, in the JSON I got dictionary file, dictionary.json. In the MP4 I got this 2 videos. In the PNG I got this 3 images. That's it. We are done with this project, right? It's a very simple project. Firstly we are getting the path, and then we are checking for the files available in the folder. Now we are splitting the file name and the extension and removing the dot from the extension, and finally we are creating the folder with the extension name. That's it. We are done with the project number 4. It's a very simple project. So guys, I'm going to upload this code into my GitHub, and also I'm going to give the link of this code in the description below, so kindly go and check it out.